Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of deleting a chat in Telegram. If you're looking to remove a chat from your Telegram app, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Play Store and search for Telegram in the search bar. Look for the app with a distinctive blue circle that contains a white paper airplane. This is the official Telegram app. Step 2. Tap on the Telegram app to select it. Then tap on Install to begin the download. Wait for the app to finish downloading, and once it's done, tap on Open to launch it. Step 3. Sign into your Telegram account using your usual credentials. Enter your phone number and verification code to log in successfully. Step 4. Now, locate the chat that you want to delete. Tap and hold on the chat to bring up additional options. Look for the trash can icon, which represents the delete option. Step 5. Tap on the trash can icon to delete the chat. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the chat. Confirm the action to proceed. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete a chat in Telegram, removing it from your chat list. Please note that deleting a chat will permanently remove all messages and media associated with that chat. Be cautious when deleting chats, as this action cannot be undone. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.